how to see views on Instagram post. Hello guys, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Today I will show you that how can you see views on your Instagram post. So let's get started. On this process, first you'll have to open Instagram app on your device. So simply open the app Instagram. Alright, so after you open the Instagram app with your login account, you will got such interface. So from here, you will have to tap on your profile icon just at the bottom right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. Alright, so to see the views on your Instagram post, make sure you have turn on your account to professional. So for that, you'll have to tap on three line just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on it. And now from the setting and activity section in the source field, you'll have to type for professional. Alright, so after you search the professional on the source field, you'll be able to see options like switch to professional account. So right now I have already switched my account to professional account. So I'm getting the options like add new professional account. So you might be get the options like switch to professional account. So from here you can easily convert your account to professional account. And after that you'll have to just back from here. And after that you'll have to open that specific post on Instagram whom you want to watch the views on that. So I'm clicking on this. So from here you'll have to scroll down and go the options like view insight. So simply tap on this view insight option. Alright, so from the insight section you'll have to scroll down and go with the section overview, and in the overview section you'll got options like views. So from here you can see your views on Instagram post. As usual, you can see your watch time, interaction and profile activity. So from here you can know your views, and you can also see a separate view for the view section. So here is the view section for the views. So here is no any views on my post. So likewise you can also see your views on Instagram post. So this is the easiest and simplest method. Hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more quick and short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.